What is the functional unit of the kidney? Your options are glomerulus, nephron, renal corpuscle, or Bowman's capsule. The correct answer is B, that is nephron. The nephron is the structural and functional unit of the kidney that is responsible for filtering blood and producing urine. Question number 52. What is the function of the alveoli in the lungs? Your options are carrying air to the lungs, filtering waste products from the blood, exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide, or refracting light into the eye. The correct answer is C, that is exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. The alveoli are tiny air sacs in the lungs where the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide occurs between the air and the blood stream. Question number 53. Which of the following is not a function of the integumentary system? Your options are protection against pathogens, regulation of body temperature, synthesis of vitamin D, or regulation of blood pressure. The correct answer is D, that is regulation of blood pressure. While the integumentary system does play a role in blood pressure regulation through vasodilation and constriction of blood vessels in the skin, but it is not directly responsible for regulating blood pressure. Question number 54. What is the function of the adrenal medulla? Your options are regulation of blood pressure, production of glucocorticoids, secretion of epinephrine and norepinephrine, or filtering waste products from the blood. The correct answer is C, that is secretion of epinephrine and norepinephrine. The adrenal medulla produces and secretes epinephrine and norepinephrine hormones that help the body respond to stress. Question number 55.
Friends, welcome back to Dear Competitive Exam YouTube channel. Today, you are attending 100 most repeated and most important question answer session based on human body that everyone must know who are in the medical and nursing field. This is the part 2 of this series, and I'm sure that you don't want to miss the first part, as the first part contains very important questions, very special questions based on human body. So the link of the video has been given in the descriptions, or you can click on this I button to find it. So do watch this video completely to make yourself more fit to answer any kind of question based on human body. And at the end, if you find this video helpful, then please do like, subscribe and share this video to all your friends who are preparing for upcoming any kinds of medical exams. Let's continue. What is the purpose of the immune system? Your options are regulation of body temperature, coordination of voluntary movements, protection against pathogens and foreign substances, or digestion of food. Question number 51. Which of the following is not a function of reproductive system? Your options are regulation of body temperature, production of gametes, sperm and eggs, facilitation of fertilization, or production of hormones. The correct answer is A, that is regulation of body temperature. While the reproductive system does play a role in thermoregulation, its primary function is reproduction through the production of gametes and facilitation of fertilization. Question number 56. What is the purpose of this skeletal system? The options are protection of internal organs, regulation of body temperature, facilitation of movement, or production of hormones. The correct answer is A, that is protection of internal organs. The skeletal system provides support and protection for internal organs, along with facilitating movement and producing blood cells. Question number 57. Which of the following is not a function of lymphatic system? The options are absorption of fats from the digestive system, removal of excess fluid from the tissues, production of hormones, or transport of white blood cells.
The correct answer is C, that is production of hormones. While the lymphatic system transports hormones produced by endocrine glands, but it is not responsible for producing hormone itself. Question number 58. What is the function of the diaphragm? Your options are pumping blood throughout the body, carrying air to the lungs, regulation of blood sugar levels, or separating the thoracic and abdominal cavities. The correct answer is B, that is carrying air to the lungs. The diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle that contracts and relaxes to help with breathing by expanding and contracting the chest cavity. Question number 59. Which of the following is not a component of the central nervous system? Your options are brain, spinal cord, nerves, or peripheral nerves. The correct answer is D, that is peripheral nerves. The central nervous system consists of the brain and spinal cord, while peripheral nerves are part of the peripheral nervous system. Question number 60. What is the function of the lymph nodes? Your options are production of red blood cells, filtration of lymph and immune response activation, storage of urine, or production of antibodies. The correct answer is B, that is filtration of lymph and immune response activation. The lymph nodes filter lymph, removing foreign particles and activating the immune response by producing antibodies and lymphocytes. Question number 61. Which of the following is not a function of digestive system? Your options are absorption of nutrients, regulation of body temperature, breaking down food, or elimination of waste products. The correct answer is B, that is regulation of body temperature. While the digestive system does play a role in maintaining body temperature through energy metabolism, but its primary function is to break down food, absorb nutrients, and eliminate waste products. Question number 62. What is the purpose of the circulatory system? Your options are regulation of body temperature, pumping blood throughout the body, production of hormones, or digestion of food. The correct answer is B, that is pumping blood throughout the body. The circulatory system is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body to deliver oxygen and nutrients to tissues and remove waste products. Question number 63. Which gland is often referred to as the master gland for its role in regulating other endocrine glands? Your options are thyroid gland, adrenal gland, pituitary gland, or pineal gland. The correct answer is C, that is pituitary gland. The pituitary gland secretes hormones that control the function of the other endocrine glands. Question number 64. What is the function of the eustachian tube in the human body? Your options are regulation of blood pressure, equalizing air pressure in the ears, production of saliva, or digestion of food. The correct answer is B, that is equalizing air pressure in the ears. The eustachian tube connects the middle ear to the back of the nose and helps to equalize air pressure in the ears. Question number 65. Which of the following is not a function of the respiratory system? Your options are digestion of food, exchange of gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide, regulation of blood pH level, or production of sound. The correct answer is A, that is digestion of food. The respiratory system is not involved in the digestion of food. Question number 66. What is the purpose of the cerebrospinal fluid CSF in the central nervous system? Your options are lubrication of joints, protection of the brain and spinal cord, digestion of nutrients, or production of neurotransmitters. The correct answer is B, that is protection of the brain and spinal cord. The cerebrospinal fluid cushions and protects the brain and spinal cord from trauma. Question number 67. Which of the following is not a function of the liver? Your options are detoxification of harmful substances, regulation of blood sugar levels, production of the bile for digestion, or regulation of body temperature. The correct answer is D, that is regulation of body temperature. While the liver is involved in maintaining body temperature indirectly, but it is not its primary function. Question number 60. What is the function of these semicircular canals in the inner ear? Your options are regulation of blood pressure, balance and spatial orientation, production of hormones, or vision. The correct answer is B, that is balance and spatial orientation. The semicircular canals detect changes in head position and help to maintain balance and spatial orientation. Question number 69. Which of the following is not a function of the muscular system? The options are production of hormones, movement, maintenance of posture, or generation of heat. The correct answer is A, that is production of hormones. While muscles produce some hormones, but it is not their primary function. Question number 70. What is the function of the adrenal cortex? Your options are production of adrenaline, regulation of blood sugar levels, secretion of glucocorticoids and mineral corticoids, or filtration of waste products from the blood. The correct answer is secretion of glucocorticoids and mineral corticoids. The adrenal cortex produces the hormones such as cortisol and aldosterone, which regulates metabolism and electrolyte balance. Question number 71. Which of the following is not a component of the peripheral nervous system? Your options are brain, spinal nerves, cranial nerves, or autonomic nerves. The correct answer is A, that is brain. The peripheral nervous system includes nerves outside the brain and spinal cord. Question number 72. What is the function of the cornea in the eye? Your options are regulation of light intensity, regulation of eye color, refraction of light into the eye, or production of tears. The correct answer is refraction of light into the eye. The cornea refracts light into the eye and helps to focus images onto the retina. Question number 73. Which of the following is not a function of the lymphatic system? Your options are absorption of fats from the digestive system, removal of excess fluid from tissues, production of urine, or transport of white blood cells. The correct answer is C, that is production of urine. The lymphatic system is not involved in the production of urine. Question number 74. What is the function of the gallbladder? Your options are production of bile, storage and concentration of bile, secretion of insulin, or regulation of blood pressure. The correct answer is B, that is storage and concentration of bile. The gallbladder stores and concentrates bile produced by the liver. Question number 75. What is the function of the pancreas? Your options are regulation of blood sugar levels, production of bile for digestion, filtering waste products from the blood, or pumping blood throughout the body. The correct answer is A, that is regulation of blood sugar levels. The pancreas produces insulin and glucagon, hormones that regulates blood sugar levels. Question number 76. Which of the following is not a function of urinary system? Your options are regulation of blood pressure, removal of waste products from the blood, regulation of blood sugar levels, or maintenance of water and electrolyte balance. The correct answer is C, that is regulation of blood sugar levels. While the urinary system does play a role in glucose metabolism, its primary function is to remove waste products from the blood and maintain water and electrolyte balance. Question number 77. What is the function of the medulla oblongata? Options are regulation of heart rate and breathing, coordination of voluntary movements, memory and learning, or regulation of body temperature? The correct answer is A, that is regulation of heart rate and breathing. The medulla oblongata controls vital functions such as heart rate, breathing, and blood pressure. Question number 79. Which of the following is not a function of spleen? Your options are production of red blood cells, filtration of blood, storage of red blood cells, or production of antibodies. The correct answer is A, that is production of red blood cells. While the spleen is involved in the destruction of old or damaged red blood cells, it does not produce red blood cells. Question number 80. What is the purpose of the olfactory epithelium in the nasal cavity? Your options are regulation of blood pressure, detection of odors, filtration of air, production of mucus. The correct answer is D, that is detection of odors. The olfactory epithelium contains specialized cells that detect odors and transmit signal to the brain. Question number 81. Which of the following is not a function of digestive system? Your options are absorption of nutrients, regulation of body temperature, breaking down food, or elimination of waste products. The correct answer is B, that is regulation of body temperature. While the digestive system does play a role in maintaining body temperature through energy metabolism, its primary function is to break down food, absorb nutrients, and eliminate waste products. Question number 82. What is the function of adrenal medulla? Your options are regulation of blood pressure, production of glucocorticoids, secretion of epinephrine and norepinephrine, or filtering waste products from the blood. The correct answer is C, that is secretion of epinephrine and norepinephrine. The adrenal medulla produces and secretes epinephrine, that is adrenaline, and norepinephrine, hormones that help the body respond to stress. Question number 83. Which of the following is not a function of reproductive system? Your options are regulation of body temperature, production of gametes, sperms and eggs, facilitation of fertilization, or production of hormones. The correct answer is A, that is regulation of body temperature. While the reproductive system does play a role in thermoregulation, but its primary function is reproduction through the production of gametes and facilitation of fertilization. Question number 84. What is the purpose of the circulatory system? Your options are regulation of body temperature, pumping blood throughout the body, production of hormones, or digestion of food. The correct answer is B, that is pumping blood throughout the body. The circulatory system is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body to deliver oxygen and nutrients to tissues and to remove waste products. Question number 85. What is the function of tympanic membranes, eardrum? Your options are regulation of body temperature, detection of sound waves, protection of the inner ear, or equalization of the air pressure. The correct answer is B, that is detection of sound waves. The tympanic membrane vibrates in response to sound waves and transmits these vibrations to the inner ear. Question number 86. Which of the following is not a function of the skeletal system? Your options are production of hormones, support and protection of the body, facilitation of movement, or production of blood cells. The correct answer is A, that is production of hormones. While the skeletal system does play a role in hormones regulation, such as storing calcium, but it does not produce hormones itself. Question number 87. What is the function of the cerebellum? Your options are regulation of body temperature, coordination and balance, memory and learning, or production of hormones. The correct answer is B, that is coordination and balance. The cerebellum is responsible for coordinating voluntary movements and maintaining balance and posture. Question number 88. Which of the following is not a function of the pancreas? Your options are regulation of blood sugar levels, producing bile for digestion, filtering waste products from the blood, or producing digestive enzymes. The correct answer is C, that is filtering waste products from the blood. The pancreas is primarily involved in digestion and blood sugar regulation, but it does not filter waste products from the blood. Question number 89. What is the function of the iris in the eye? Your options are detection of light, refraction of light, regulation of pupil size, or production of tears. The correct answer is C, that is regulation of pupil size. The iris controls the size of the pupil to regulate the amount of light entering the eye. Question number 90. Which of the following is not a function of endocrine system? Your options are regulation of body temperature, production and secretion of hormones, coordination of bodily function, or regulation of metabolism. The correct answer is A, that is regulation of body temperature. While hormones produced by the endocrine system can influence body temperature regulation, the primary function of the endocrine system is to produce and secretes hormones that regulate various bodily functions. It's a time to comment your score. And friends, thanks for joining us on this exciting journey. If you enjoyed the quiz and learned something new, then give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming exploration of fascinating topics in the medical field. Until the next time, stay curious, stay healthy. See you.